This video shows you how to remove the time from a date in Microsoft Excel. Changing the date format. Select the cell range containing the dates. Click Home. Click the down arrow next to the current format. Click More Number Formats. Click Date. Click a date format in the Type section. Select a format that doesn't contain the time. Click OK. This will confirm the format change. Using text to columns. Select the cell range containing the dates. Click Data. Click Text to Columns. This will open the Convert Text to Columns wizard window. Select Delimited. Click Next. Select only space in the Delimiters box. Click Next. Enter the column settings. Optional. You can click each new column in the Data Preview box at the bottom of the wizard window. This will allow you to change the format or skip the column completely. You can also change where the columns will be placed using the Destination box. Click Finish. Using the INT function, click the cell where you want the new date. Type =INT open parenthesis, close parenthesis in the cell. Press Enter. Using the Date Value function, click the cell where you want the new date. Type =date value text, mm/dd/yy in the cell. Press Enter. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.